Hi friends. You are watching Success Stimulator. Knowledge sharing on health, wealth, statistics and leadership skills. Welcome to Learning Friday. Do consider to subscribe this video. We assure you that you will definitely like this video and have some learning on the given topic. Let's get into today's topic. This video is to give an idea about Kaizen examples. If anyone is not sure about the Kaizen, or would like to get an idea about the Kaizen, please watch my other video, Kaizen tutorial, to understand the Kaizen culture. Kaizen approach is contributing. Small ideas helps to bring big change, or bring big impact in the process over a period of time. These small ideas, predominantly expected, from the one who is working on the field. Kaizen aim is to eliminate waste in system. Common wastes are 1. Overproduction. Overproduction can mean making too much of something, or making it too early. Overproduction is frequently caused by creating products based on forecasts, rather than real-time customer demand. Examples of overproduction. 1. Creating reports with more detail than its recipients want or can absorb. 2. Entering repetitive information on multiple documents. 3. Scheduling more meetings more often than needed. 4. Generating and distributing too much paperwork. 5. Keeping labor and equipment on standby. 6. Duplicating systems or running redundant processes. 7. Overpackaging. 8. Increasing handling and transportation costs. 9. Testing ahead of time to suit lab schedule. 10. Moving samples or specimens to the wrong location. These are the examples of overproduction. Next one is waiting time. For example, in many occasions, some of us experienced slowness in system, which made us to wait for some time. When this happened for 100 colleagues, then it is a big waste. Have to find a way to eliminate this slowness completely in any ways. Few other examples follows. 1. The time it takes to save or download the document. 2. The delay before a website loads on your computer. 3. The time spent waiting in line at a grocery store. 4. The time taken to get a table at a restaurant. 5. The duration a patient waits to see a doctor at a clinic. 6. The time it takes to receive test results from a lab. These are the some of the examples of overproduction. Next waste is delay, by doing non-value added steps or unwanted process flow. For example, in a process there are 10 steps to be followed, of which 2 steps are not required, which is getting covered in one of the remaining process. By eliminating these 2 steps can able to save some amount of time, which helps to move the production faster. You can also try this out in your process. Look at your process steps very closely. Few other examples follows. 1. Delay in doing allocation or assigning work to people. 2. Unnecessary approvals, waiting for documents to be signed by multiple approvers. 3. Time spent searching for information due to disorganized filing systems. 4. Delays in service delivery due to lack of staff availability. 5. Delay because of machine downtime. 6. Delay due to inefficient workflow. 7. Delays caused by quality issues requiring rework. Alright, these are the some of the examples of delay or non-value added steps. Next waste is overprocessing or excess investment. For example, in a service industry, organization invested in high configuration system which may not be required and considered to be high cost investment. In some case, team using dual monitor which is not at all required is another waste. Same logic applies for manufacturing industry as well. Following are the few other examples. 1. Using a high precision machine to produce a component that only requires basic tolerances. 2. Performing multiple inspections on a product when a single, thorough check would suffice. 3. Entering the same information multiple times across different systems or forms. 4. Reworking on the reports by not trusting the subordinates or system. These are the some of the examples of overprocessing or excess investment. Next waste is defects. Correcting the defects consumes more time and efforts, so everyone should produce right at the first time. Do you know one thing? Statistics says correcting the defects takes double the time of production. Since you all are expert, find a way to do it right in the first time and spread the logic across. Any error that would require rework or could potentially impact customer satisfaction. 1. A typo in a document. 2. A scratch on a finished product. 3. A mislabeled item. 4. An incorrect measurement. 5. A missing component. 6. A faulty assembly. Alright, hope you have got some fair idea about Kaizen example. Many of us know about Kaizen. But there are struggles in implementation. It is because we may not have a clear vision in our minds. In this video, we are going to learn about Kaizen implementation. How to implement Kaizen. Will it give us the best result, or not? Does everyone accept it, or not? Like this, there are many questions in our minds. This video might answer all those questions. I hope you got an opportunity to watch my other video about Kaizen. If not, please tend, and it will give you a basic outline. Let's start. At first, while we implement any Kaizen, we should know the possible outcome. It will help us to implement them without struggle. Here is the potential outcome of any Kaizen. Eliminate, change, simplify, and improve. First one is eliminate, eliminating unwanted process flow. Eliminate excess resources. Eliminate waiting time and so on. For example, in a process, there are 10 steps to be followed, of which 2 steps are not required, which is getting covered in one of the remaining processes. By eliminating these 2 steps can able to save some amount of time, which helps to move the production faster. You can also try this out in your process. Look at your process steps very closely. It helps to save time. Change the resources based on demand. Change the software outlook or change the software itself, which is more efficient and cost-effective. Change the location and so on. For example, there is software that is not at all user-friendly. Like, many apps request us to give a rating. When we click the rating button, it will take us through different apps like the Play Store or Google. Instead, you can design so that the same app takes the rating and links it to other relevant apps. This is design changes. It becomes user-friendly and enables the customer to give a rating. The next outcome is simplify. Process simplification would be the next possible outcome of Kaizen. Identify shortcuts available in the software, simplify the tracking process, and simplify the pictorial representation, which would be self-explanatory. Explore all the options available in the software you're working in. There could be multiple shortcuts of which no one in the team is aware. It helps to speed up the process. Improve. Overall performance improvement would be another possible outcome of Kaizen. Improve the overall quality output. Improve the colleague's performance. Improve the process time and so on. These are the 4 possible outcomes of the Kaizen. I will repeat: eliminate, change, simplify, and improve. In addition, do remember these 2 points as well. 1. Kaizen's approach is contributing small ideas, helps to bring big change, or bringing a big impact in the process over a period of time. 2. Continuous improvement is expected without any additional cost. We always have to remember these 2 points, and you have to highlight them to the entire stakeholder without fail. Alright, let us discuss Kaizen implementation method. Though multiple methods are available for implementation, PDCA or PDSA is the most popular method to implement Kaizen. PDCA cycle, also known as PDSA cycle or Deming cycle, is a problem-solving method used for the continuous learning and improvement of a process or product. There are 4 basic steps in PDCA or PDSA cycle. Plan. Identify a problem and possible solutions. Do. Execute the plan and test the solutions. Check or study. Evaluate the results and lessons learned. Act. Improve the plan or process for better solutions. Planning phase. Identify a problem or opportunity for improvement. Analyze the process and develop an optimal solution. Do. Implement the solution. The solution will be tested in do phase. Collecting real-time data and feedback. Check phase. Study the results and adjust. How well the solution worked, how much the goal has been achieved, and whether the methods were proven feasible. Note that there might be forth and back between do and check. Act. Standardize the solution. Integration of all key learnings by the entire process, standardizing successful parts, and avoiding error recurrence. In a nutshell, the act phase summarizes the current cycle and prepares for the next. Last but not least, always identify the right team for a successful outcome. Alright, I hope you have got some fair idea about Kaizen implementation. We shall discuss in detail regarding team member identification in our upcoming videos. Please share your comments and suggestion for improvement. Also, Share it with your friends, family members and knowledge seekers. At last, thanks for watching.